Good wishes, dear students. Today we will discuss our class 10th English first, that is grammar. Question number 5. You can take out your books, textbook, page number 45. In this question number 5, we will see a subpart, that is fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Now in this question will carry 4 numbers, as you already have practiced in 9th class as well. And you will see this in page number 45. Again I am repeating page number 45. So in this, generally students do the mistake that they copy entire passage and in middle they write the answer. But this should not be done, because when you are reading question, you should read it properly. It is given here that do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order. So here as it is given, you can see, and this is the passage, and you have to write only the answers in your answer sheet. Do not copy the passage and waste time in examination hall. Now in this we will see, this passage is there. Years ago, the Clark family in Scotland had a dream. Clark and his wife worked and saved, making plans for their children and themselves. Now blank space is there and verb travel is given. Now you have to keep this in mind, that whenever you are going through the passage, see that in which tense the passage is written. Suppose this is in the past tense, past form, so you have to convert this verb into past tense. Like here in first, travel is given, so to travel we will write themselves, to travel to the United States. It took, second one is take, that will change into took. It took years, but they had finally saved enough money and had got passports and reservations for the family on a new ship to the United States. The family was filled with excitement at the thought of going to the US. However, 7 days before their departure, the youngest son, it is given by a dog, third one, it will be, was bitten by a dog. The doctor, hang will change into hung a yellow sheet of Clark's front door to warn people of the possibilities of rabies. The Clarks, now quarantine is given, fifth one, you will write, since they are more, that is plural in numbers, the Clarks is given, so it will change into were quarantined. Okay, were quarantined for 14 days. The family dreams, 6-1 is shattered, so it will change into were shattered. They could not make the trip to America as they had planned. 7th one would be had planned. Plan will change into had planned. The father shed tears of disappointment and cursed both his son and the dog for their misfortune. 5 days later, the tragic news spread throughout Scotland. The mighty Titanic, in which the Clarks were to travel, 8th one is sink, will change into had sunk. So Clarks were to travel, had sunk, taking hundreds of lives with it. So this is the way the passage will be done, and this is the answers which I have written over here, and I have explained you how you have to do this one. In the same way, in every test paper, this question number 5 is given you, where you have to write the correct form of the word. So you have to practice all the test papers and you have to prepare yourself for the examinations. So this all is depending upon the practice. Okay, now B part. Question number 5, B part. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word. Just wait. Okay, students. Now in page number 45 only, B part is given. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word. So here this is question 5 and sub part is B. Here you have to use appropriate word to fill the blanks. This word could be others also which will fit and which will be appropriate according to the grammar and of the sentence. Which word is coming appropriate, that you can write in these sentences. Like first one is, my friend refrained from criticizing the article in public. Now from word I have used over here, which is very appropriate in this sentence. Second one is, always be true blank yourself. So in this to will come. Always be true to yourself. Third one, my new secretary had taken to my style of working quickly. So these are the helping words which you can fill, and whatever is the appropriate word according to the sentences you have to write in that. Fourth one is, the rebels held out in the forests for many years. Fifth one, the people were touched with pity when they saw his miserable condition. The jungles, sixth one, the jungles of Assam abound with wild animals. With will be used, that is more appropriate word. The seventh one, the massacre was a crime against humanity. Now against has been used over here because this is the negative property which has been used with the humanity. So against word will be used. The massacre was a crime against humanity. Eighth one, this painting is costlier of the two. So here we are comparing the third one with the other two things. So of will be used, OF. This painting is costlier of the two. Now here we have done fifth question, A and B part. Now C and D part I will discuss in next part. Okay students, thank you so much.